Is your 2010 Mazda 6 key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead or weak battery. The key fob uses a CR 2025 3 volts battery. Open the fob carefully, usually with a small screwdriver or by sliding a release. Remove the old battery and ensure the contacts are clean. Corrosion can prevent a good connection. Insert a new CR 2025 battery, making sure the polarity plus and minus is correct. Reassemble the fob and test it. Mechanics estimate that 60 to 70% of key fob issues are due to battery failure. Batteries typically last 1 to 3 years. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, move on to the relearn process. Using the correct battery and cleaning contacts are key to success. You can find CR 2025 batteries for around $2 to $5 at most stores. If a new battery doesn't fix your 2010 Mazda 6 key fob, you may need to relearn the fob or resync the immobilizer. First, try the relearn process. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position without starting the engine, and press the lock-unlock buttons on the fob in a specific sequence. The exact sequence can vary, but often involves cycling the ignition multiple times and pressing the buttons. If this doesn't work, the immobilizer may be desynced, requiring a scan tool like Mazda's IDS software to resync. Improper attempts can trigger error codes like P631. Consider a DIY OBD2 scanner for partial diagnostics, or visit a trusted mechanic if needed. Dealership intervention for immobilizer issues can cost around $150. Avoid tampering with the immobilizer without proper tools, as this can lead to security lockouts.